Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix Windows search service not running on the Windows 11. So when the Windows search service stop running on Windows 11, click the search bar or pressing Windows plus S either does absolutely nothing or leaves you start at the frozen infinite loading animation. This usually happens when the background indexer crash or search database become corrupted. Let's see how to fix this one. So first you need to enable and force start the Windows search service. To do that, you need to go to search bar, type run, tap on it, then you need to type services.msc and tap on OK. In the services window, scroll down alphabetically until you locate Windows search. Scroll down all the way down. Yes, it is right here. Right click on it, go to properties. Look for the startup type drop down menu and change it to automatic. If it is change it to automatic delete, you need to select it to automatic. Then after tap on OK. Okay. Under the service and also you need to go to properties, and if it is stopped you need to start it. Now it is already running, so then it is okay. And the second method is terminate the SearchHost.exe. To do that, just right click on the taskbar, go to task manager, switch over the details section, find SearchHost.exe file, scroll down. In my case it is not running currently, so what you need to do is when you find that one, simply tap on end task, then it will be ask for the confirm the action, then tap on yes and test your search bar now. And the third method is run the built-in search troubleshooter. To do that, just go to start menu again, go to setting, then after go to system section, not the system one, it is update and security in the Windows 10. If in the Windows 11 it is on the system, just go to that one, then you need to select the troubleshoot option and tap on additional troubleshooters. Then you need to scroll down and find search and indexing, tap on it, tap on run the troubleshooter. Now it is find and detecting the problems related with the search and indexing. So you can select which issue that you are faced, tap on next, next, next like this. Then it will be automatically detect and patch the broken service links. And the fourth method is rebuild the entire Windows search index by just go to the search bar, type run, tap on it, select type the control and tap on OK. It will open the control panel. In the top right corner, change the view by setting to the large icons like this. Then after click on indexing options, just find that one. Yes, it is here, tap on it. In the window that opens, click the advanced button like this. Under the troubleshooting section in here, click the rebuild button next to the delete and rebuild index option. You just need to tap on this one. A warning pop-up will tell you this might take a while. Click on OK. Your PC will wipe the old search database and index your files cleanly in the background. You can still use your PC while it's happening. And the fifth method is register Windows search via PowerShell. So first you need to right click on the start menu, then after select the Windows PowerShell, it is admin like this. Then after you copy and paste following command into the window. Get dash apex package dash space dash all users space dash name space microsoft.windows.search space line space for each space bracket add dash apex package space dash disable development board space dash register space colon $sign bracket $sign underscore dot install location close the bracket backslash appxmanifest.xml colon bracket and hit enter. Once the command completes running, restart your computer. Sixth method is run SFC and DISM system file repairs. To do that, Again you need to go to search bar, type cmd, make sure run it as administrator. Then you need to type DISM space, sorry, all should be capital, .exe, DISM .exe space /online space /cleanup -image space /restore health. Hit enter. Once they reach 100%, again you need to type this command sfc space /scan now and hit enter. This will take around time. Then after restart your computer. These fixes fix your issue.